Hello guys, this is Sloveniak. Today we will have tutorial how to draw a circle. Not circle, but dot. That's easier, right? So we'll do exactly this. Yes, we will take this sheet, this piece of sheet, and then we will just cut off this small part. And we have that. We don't need it. It's worthless. Worthless leftist. And when we have that, we will just color this, get this stuff away, and we got this magical circle. When we have that, we will color this white, we will take any color we want to, color this, and when we have this part, we need to just delete surrounding by the most epic way.